Anything AI App Builder tutorial. Want to build apps without coding? The Anything AI App Builder makes it possible. Let's set up your first app step by step. So start by creating an account on Anything AI, and once you're inside, the dashboard shows templates, AI tools, and your project workspace. So pick a template that fits your idea. So you'd basically find that on the template section. So on the template section, you'll find Marketplace. So click on this and you'll find the wide array of templates you can choose from. You can pick a template that fits your idea, whether it's e-commerce, productivity, or chatbot. Templates give you a ready-made structure to customize. Use the drag and drop editor to add features. The AI assistant suggests layouts, tags, and workflows so you can design without coding. Integrate features like payment, gateways, notifications, or analytics. Anything AI supports popular APIs, making your app functional and user-ready. Now, after this, you can go ahead and preview your app and test scenarios to track navigation performance and user experience. Once satisfied, hit the publish button. You can deploy to web, Android, or iOS directly from the platform. And that is how to build an app using Anything AI App Builder.